Hey guys, today I will show you the new map feature I have added, and I have added also more maps. And yeah, let's start. So we start the types to expansion converter, then we go to Dayz maps, we going to select the map, and now you see file not found. This is because we need to download the PNG file of the map, so the image. Then we get a next file not found. We need to download the XYZ file for the map. This is needed to get the coordinates more precise. So we choose yes. Then you can see it's loaded up now. And here on this folder where the types to expansion converter is located, there is two new folders, maps for the PNG files of maps and XYZ for the XYZ files. And now if we going to choose, for example, Banov, we have to download Banov PNG and the XYZ file also. Then it's going to be loaded, right? And here is now Banov and the XYZ file. These files are big, so it takes a while to download maybe for you. You should consider this. Now we go back to Tyrannus Plus and we're going to zoom in with our zoom bar on the top. For example, we can do this. We can mouse scroll up and down. And yeah, then we click airdrop mission settings. So it's loading up all these settings for your missions of airdrops. And now we're going to load the mission files. We're going to right click here, open mission folder. Then it's showing where the missions are located at. This is MP missions, your mission, expansion missions. So we're going to go to my local Dayz server, choose our profile or config folder. In my case, it's config, expansion mod. Oh no, wait, sorry, my mistake. MP missions folder we need to choose. Our mission we're going to choose. So we use Tyrannus, then expansion missions. And here are all my mission files. You will see this later. And here they are loaded. So if we click this now, you can see all the settings for this airdrop and where the airdrop is located. So we zoom in, it's located right here. This is now Balota. I have played around a bit with this. So we're going to add it here. We just double click. So it's going to change the coordinates. So let me open the Balota file in my editor. So I'm going to open this now. And let me go here. New one. And airdrop Balota random. So this is the file now of the airdrop. And here is our converter tool. Now if we change with double click the location where it should drop, it will change the location here also. You can see. So let's do it here, Balota. And then you can also change it manually by just typing in the coordinates, like we're going to want it to 5k or 5k, and for the Z 5k, 5k 50. So it's gone now because we need to zoom out and find it. Oh, okay. So, oh, change to 20k. That's wrong. 550. It's not working. Okay, this needs fixed maybe. 555. All right. And if you change this to 50, 100. It's moving around, as you can see. So it's moving around, it's updating the map. If you go 8K here right now, that's going to the right. And the genres map size is 15k, so you can't go over 15k. If you type in 16k, for example, it's gone because it's not in the map range anymore. So let's do it 7k. There it is again. But I want it back to Balota, so I zoom in and we choose, we can zoom in here with fine zoom and we add it here. So it's updating the position now and reloading the map. So make sure you always choose the right location. Right now you can add new mission files by adding mission files. You can remove the mission files. If we go here in the MP missions folder where the missions located at, you can see that there's a test JSON. We're going to remove this. Oh wait, I can show it this way. We're going to remove this one because this is the Green Mountain airdrop. If we click this one, you can see it's spawning at the Green Mountain. I played around, it's here. But yeah, we remove this file now. So it's showing the location where the file is located at this message box. You need to confirm this and it's deleted here. Now you can add a new mission by right-clicking add new mission. Then we give this mission a name like random Tissy, for example, and it's now showing up here as new mission. We're going to rename this mission. So the mission name is now airdrop Tissy. And if you double click and open this, that's mission name airdrop Tissy. And it's already showing here airdrop Tissy. So because it's 0, 0 coordinates, we need to change this because this is down here. We're going to choose Tissy now. We zoom in and double click this and we can change the radius of it like 100. We type in 100, press enter or return, so it's updating. You can't change this with mouse wheel up and down. This is to make sure it's not refreshing the map all the time. So type in your coordinates and radius always like 100 and press return. And now you can, for example, say we want a little bit more. This, then press enter return and it's to right. And we can also choose this to be 14K, press return enter. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Tyrannos. And if we're going to load a different map, we just go here, choose a map, we choose Banov. Oh no, let's choose Amalsk. And it's asking us to download the PNG and the XYZ file again. And it's reloading. There it is. Right? We can zoom as before. But because I have no missions for this one, I'm going to choose Dear Idle. So we load the PNG and the XYZ. Now if we go back to our folder where the converter is located, you can see it has downloaded all this. You only need to download this once. Once downloaded, you don't need to download it again. I said these files are big, like this 4 images are 120 megabytes and these are 321 megabytes. This takes maybe a bit for you, depends on your internet connection. Yeah, so this is now the idle and we're going to load the missions for it. I downloaded it from a community member of our Discord. This is this one. So we loaded new missions. The map does reset to the blank map. We have chosen the Dear Idle. I can't pronounce this, Dear Idle or Island, whatever. Then we click the new missions and it's loading up correctly. Right, there it is. There's the airdrop and here's another airdrop And here's the last airdrop. That's pretty much it. You can change everything here, the weight, the height, max time speed, force speed for this specific mission. And if you want to add like loot to the airdrop, so not the airdrop container loot, it's more like the loot around the airdrop, as far as I can remember. And the zombies infected is also the same case. So you can also add this stuff here, add loot. So we add the white rust as main item. If we go back to the folder, downloads, new folder, which one we have selected, casual. We open this, and then you see white rust now. And if we click this, you can change the quantity percentage, max min, and the chance. So we just change this now, just random. Then you can click this, open up attachments. You can now add attachments to this off-road hatchback by right-clicking. So first you left-click attachments, right-click, add attachment. Then you can load an XML type. I just show you how this works. Open XML type, no. Then we go to my test tool folder and we choose the expansion types XML. It's loading up the XMLs, the class names, and yeah, let's choose the hatchback doors as attachment, the hood and the trunk, and let's add them. So they are added now. Now if we expand this attachments, it's showing here all the attachments. You can left click this and change also the percentage chance at which this one will spawn. Yeah. So if you type in 100, it's spawning with the attachment 100%. And then you can also add attachment to the door again and again and again and again. But we won't do this now. We add a variant of the white rust now. Add a variant. Then we're going to add a green and a green rust hatchback. Yeah, we're going to add this now. And there's the variants. That's all you need to know for the items. You can add a new main item again. For example, the yellow sedan. And there's the yellow sedan. And then you can do the exact same stuff like we did for the white rust hatchback. Alright, for the infected, there is a special text field. There you can enter custom class names if you can't load them, or for example like the expansion AI class names for the NPCs, or for whatever reason you need to add them. Like you can add expansion NPC AI Marek or something like that. Then add to list, and there it is. And you can also load the zombies by add zombie. So right click in this field, load the XML file where the zombies are located, check the check boxes and add it. This makes no sense now, but yeah, you can also remove them right now. And yeah, you can remove the loot, of course, also. So it's empty again. That's pretty much it, I would say. There's nothing more to say. And yeah, drop location here, name Cushville is the container name, the drop container name. No, wait, this is here. And the drop location is Cushville. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I hope this helps a bit out to understand how this stuff is working. So yeah, see you next time.